In this video, I'll show you how to hide Facebook posts from a specific person without blocking or unfriending them. Facebook lets you control who can see your posts using audience settings. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap What's on Your Mind to create a new post, or find an existing post you want to update. If you're editing an existing post, tap the three-dot menu and select Edit Audience. Next, tap the audience selector below your name. You'll see options like Public, Friends, Friends Accept, and Specific Friends. To hide the post from one or more people, choose Friends Accept and select the person you don't want to see your post. After making your selection, tap Done or Save. If you're creating a new post, continue writing your post and tap Post when you're ready. The selected person won't be able to see that post on your profile or in their news feed. You can repeat these steps for any future post or change the audience later if needed. That's how you can easily hide Facebook posts from specific people while staying connected. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.